Hey guys, how's it going? I got given a couple of locks the other day, a couple of little tiny master locks. So if we look at the, here's master lock number 5, and there's this little one next to it. It's sort of just looks like a number 3 but smaller. This is the number 7. You can see that. It's a little laminated lock, smallest laminated lock that I own. And here's an all brass tiny little master lock. And if anyone can tell me, I'm not sure, I've never seen one like this, but it clearly has master written on there. But it has China on the bottom too. But I'm not sure if it's genuine master lock or not. But if anyone knows, let me know. Okay, so Peanut's barking at someone out there. Let's I'll cut this video and find a pick and a lever to pick these things, and I'll just check what Peanut's up to, because he sounds a bit mad out there. Alright, back in a second. Alright, I've changed the camera position to give you a better view, hopefully. Right. Small locks can sometimes give me trouble. Alright, I'm using a Sparrow's pick. Had that pick a long while. Okay, well hopefully you can see that. Alright, find the first pin. Hiding behind the lever. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's 4. Alright, so I must have missed pin 1. 1. There we go. Let's got that one. Sometimes it's tricky getting that first pin when you're dealing with such a small lock. This one's probably going to be even more difficult. Probably not the best lever either, but okay. Pin number, I think 1, 2. Ah, got that one quick. Oh no, we haven't. It's not in yet. Alright, we got it now. Let's just try that one again. I'm not sure about how quick I got into that one. Stick that lever in there. I'll show you the pack that lever's from. There's 1 or 2 that are quite handy. Pin 1, 2. 1, 2. You watch, I won't be able to do it now. 1. Ah, there we go. Alright, I got that one. Let's have a look at this. This is a box of levers I got off of, where did I get them? Banggood. A lot of them you probably never use, but little ones like that are quite handy. They're only a couple of bucks. Worth getting, I think. Okay, well, that's it pretty much. Well, let's try these. Try the locks. There's a key for that one. So it is a 4 pin, although apart from the first cut, the others are not cut very deep. Like I say, I'm not sure if, I'd like to know if this is genuine master lock, but it does have China on the bottom, but that doesn't mean anything these days. Alright, and this one, There's the bidding there. And that one works nicely too. Okay, well that's it. So nice to get a couple of locks, so thanks to my friend for them. Alright, thanks for watching guys, catch you later.